Bottom line here is this case, Michael, is different, is it not? I mean, we wouldn't be talking about it. They wouldn't be haggling over the minutia of a gag order and whether a family attorney is underneath it if it wasn't in a different level in terms of public interest. And we've seen it before. Public interest can create problems in a criminal case.
Yeah, the past 30 to 40 years have given us all an education on what we need to do as a society with respect to the justice system and gag orders and everything of the like, right? We no longer have the luxuries that we had, for example, during the O.J. Simpson trial, right? Back then, that was in the 90s. You could sequester a jury, and we all suffered as a society basically at the sequestration of that jury. It was torture for them and their families, right? They physically were like imprisoned for months and months and months. And we've realized as a society, we're not able to do that. We're not able to replicate that, especially in this day and age, right? How are you going to sequester a jury in 2023 the way you sequestered the jury during the O.J. Simpson trial? You cannot do it, right? It's not possible. And so what do? So we have completely, like, social media and media, internet, and it has completely changed the landscape for us as a society. And so these judges are using rules from 100 years ago, trying to follow through on a system in 2023. It's very, very, very difficult. It's actually impossible. And so even with these gag orders and everything of the like, these jurors are going to be tainted no matter what anybody does. It's like trying to bring the boat back in, the water back into the boat with some shovels. You can do it, but it's at the end of the day, it's a losing battle. These jurors are going to get tainted, and we just kind of have to brace for impact.